basic Python programming and also for the ML and deep learning courses. So let me show you. So from where you can download the Anaconda. So here the official website of Anaconda. So if you go to the products, you can go to the individual edition. So these are the paid versions which are also available for the teams, enterprise solutions and professional services. Okay, so we are going to download the free version of individual edition. Select this. You can just scroll down here where you can choose the different versions available for the different OSs. So here I'm going with the Windows 64-bit option. So if anybody interested in Mac or Linux, you can download the corresponding downloaders. So I'm going with this particular installer. So I'm going to select this installation. So here I'm going to save this. Downloads, saved. So it is getting downloaded. So actually I already downloaded. I'll just take you to the downloaded software page. Yes, here is the Anaconda version 2020. I also have version 2018. So but we actually the recent version is 2020, which we just now downloaded. Okay, so to install this, just double click on this icon which will launch the Anaconda 3 installer. Anaconda 3 2020 version, which comes with the latest version of the Python, and it has got a more inbuilt libraries. So it is taking time to start. The Anaconda installer started. So just you can see that this is the latest version which we are installing it. So just click on next option. So read the agreement if you like to. So I'm selecting it as agree the agreement. So you can just select the recommended for the just me option. After that, choose the location. So I'm going to change the location, but you don't require to change the location because already I installed the version of the Anaconda is available in my system. So I'm going to change the location, but for the first time users, no need to change the location. So this step is not required. So as I already have the installed version of the Anaconda, so I am changing the location, but you don't require to do that step. So selected new folder for Anaconda. But if you want to install it from other than C drive, you can choose the different location wherever you like to have it. Okay, click next. Just select this option, enable this option. This option will be helpful in future installations of the new libraries which are related to the deep learning. When we want to install the libraries like TensorFlow, Keras and OpenCV, so this option will help us setting the path automatically. Okay, we don't worry about the setting of the paths. Okay, so we need to select this option, and we'll select register Anaconda 3 as the default option for 3.8. If you want, you can select this option and you can click on install. So that's it. So once you click on install, the installation begins. Okay, so that's it guys, like that's how you can. So here is the icon of Anaconda Navigator from which you can start the Anaconda. So otherwise you can always search here Anaconda Navigator Navigator. Okay, so which can be used to start your Anaconda. Okay, so either you can use this option or you can use by just clicking here, you can start the Anaconda Navigator. So I'll show you just a basic example how to start the Python programming with the help of Jupyter Notebook. Anaconda Navigator is starting. Yes, so this is the icon for starting of your Anaconda. So this is how the Anaconda Navigator looks like at the beginning. So it's asking for you to update the any reports and all. So I'm just selecting OK and don't show again, but regularly this icon keeps on coming, this pop-up. So now this is where you can launch your Python notebooks either from Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. If you use the IDE like Spider, you can use that also here. But I will show here like how to start with the Jupyter Notebook. So once you click on launch, so automatically the Jupyter Notebook will appear on the Chrome notebook. So just wait for 2 minutes. So Jupyter Notebook. So here is the basic window home page of Jupyter Notebook. So here you don't have control over the paths, but we can choose the desktop as my folder, and here in desktop you can create a folder. Like I'm creating a new folder here with the basic code. Okay, this is the folder I'm created. I can choose this folder from the Jupyter home page. Okay, so here is the basic code folder. I'm selecting this. Now here you can launch the a Python notebook. Select the Python notebook, Python 3. So here we are with the Jupyter notebook. So this is a basic code cell where we can write our code. Like I'm taking just simple example of adding two numbers, a equal to 2, b equal to 3, and c equal to a plus b, and print the result, print of c. So you can use the shortcuts like control enter to execute the cell, shift enter for execute and create a new cell, new empty cell, and alt enter will be used for executing the cell and automatically it creates a new cell. But shift enter will create a new cell only if there is no cell present below the current cell. Alternately, you can click on run button to start the to run the particular cell. So I'm just typing here shift enter, so you get the result. Okay, that's how easy. So if you like to rename the Jupyter notebook, you can rename that. Okay, here I'm renaming it as lab 1. The extension is IPYNYB, IPNYB. Okay, that's the extension for files. In basic code, the file has been created with the whatever the file name we have given. Yes, print end of the video. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video.